Me.
You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. Right.
Derek, tell you we got Jack a Union suit thing yesterday, like a little one-piece thing. Says gobble till you wobble.
That's cute.
I couldn't find a turkey one for me yet, but then I did order that dress, and then I got to Gymboree and they had another one that was really cute too. So I did buy
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We're at Old Orchard Beach.
I bought her and Jack both pumpkin socks.
Did you get me any pumpkin socks?
Sorry, they didn't have any for you.
What?
That show, Kevin Can Wait, Kevin Jameson.
Oh.
And the new sitcom last year.
Oh, yes, yes,
And
yes.
his wife on his last show, guest starred on the last episode. Well, now, in the new year, they have fired his wife, and they're going to kill her off.
Amelia, are you at the ocean? Should we get closer?
How's that feel?
Is that nice?
You like the water?
Oh, there it goes.
Go back!
Emma, make sure you hold on because it's eroding her feet.
She's gonna take a step. Oh, there it goes.
Here comes some more.
She wants to splash.
Well, here comes Mia.
Sat down. Oh, Amelia.
Cause I want to splash.
Lily! Lily!
Likes that. It loves the water.
Oh, she does. She's just...
What? Is it cold?
Oh my god. He keeps drinking the water.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Give him a straw. That's nice.
But he's so cool.
I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty.
No, yucky.
Oh yeah, she loves to jump in the pool.
Really?
Huh?
Is it getting any warmer?
Oh, sun comes.
It's really not bad.
No?
Oh.
Kick, kick.
Where'd you put him?
There by my shirt. Hey guys, we have got a smorgasbord tonight. This, we got grass-fed burgers. We got French fries.
Homemade French fries.
Homemade French fries. We got corn on the cob. If you're more of a mac and cheese girl, mac and cheese.
Take a plate, Liz.
And great company to eat it with, so that's even better. Who's ready for dinner? Say me!
Me.
Good job! Woohoo, everybody! High five, girlfriend. You want a high five? Boop. Boop. High five. Great singing, Amelia. You singing for me, girl?
Check on him. Did you look at him? Oh, okay. Let's see, before.
Midway.
Let's do the after.
What's the matter, Pete? Oh, the toy car I made is busted. I need to fix this time for the toy fair. Otherwise, I can't go. Oh, well, me to help. Allow me to help. You feel okay, Goose? Now, let me...
Say, welcome to today's vlog. You're not even paying attention. Say, hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Say, can you wave? Wave hi.
Hi.
Welcome to today's vlog. We are tackling some stuff today. Erica is out and we are tackling this room. We are basically going to empty it so that maybe sometime next week we can paint it. We've got to get ready for Jack's arrival, and this room needs to be cleaned out and made into a Moana room for Amelia so that the nursery can still be a nursery for Jack. So this is what we're working with. Whoa. This is what we're working with right now. All this stuff has to come out. Here we go. So there's some. It's like 7 o'clock, and it's not even quite 7 o'clock, and Amelia is passed out. She did not take a nap at all today.
See, she rolled her head over a little bit though.
She is out like a light. So we might do, excuse me, one of Derek's escape room boxes things. Also, we had some shrimp for dinner and a really not so good rice. Or at least that's what we thought.
Yeah. Uncle Ben's butter and garlic flavored rice.
Not the best. Not our
I like
favorite.
rice. I like butter. I like garlic. But however they did the combination of the three,
Not so
didn't
good.
bring out the best of all three.
No, it did not. Not my favorite. So we'll remember that for future reference. But we had some popcorn shrimp. That was quite delicious. And some yum yum sauce, which is my favorite.
And some blackberries.
And some blackberries. Except Amelia didn't eat very much because she was falling asleep at the table.
So we were like, oh, well, put her in mom's lap. And she didn't want to eat anything.
Then she was mad. Then we were like, hey, you want to take a bath? And she's like, bath? Yeah, let's take a bath. And then she wouldn't sit down, and then she finally sat down, and then she didn't want to get out of the bath.
Well, no, she said, all done. We took her out of the bath, and she was happy until I set her down on the ground after getting out of the bath. Then she pitched a fit. I was like, oh, okay. She was definitely tired.
Yep. She was a sleepy girl.
So she gets a nice long sleep through the night tonight.
I hope so. Oh, I can't take another night like last night. She kept getting up and just talking, you guys. She would just sit there and chat. And I thought, well, is her breathing off? Like, I kept hearing stuff, but I didn't really know. So I like turned up the volume and nope, she was just chatting in her sleep. But she kept tossing and turning all night, so I know she didn't sleep very good. But her fever has been mild, very mild today. The highest it was 99.7, so that was pretty good. So yeah.
No 102s is a win in my book.
Yeah, no 102s is a win. So, but yeah, I think we're gonna go play our game. And then I'm probably gonna go to bed because I was up at 4:30.
I wasn't.
No, he was not. Derek slept till what? 6:30? Yep. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog and our little montage of cleaning the room. And we'll see you again soon.
Tomorrow will be another clip.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. You guys say hi. Say hi. Welcome to today's vlog. Excellent. Excellent job. We are out here playing with bubbles. Oh, are you wasting my water? Careful. Careful. Looks like you got a little bit on you.
It was funny. She had hair in her mouth. She had hair in her mouth. She tried to take a drink. She didn't like the hair, so she spit it all out.
You like watching yourself drink water? Are you cute? Oh dear. Oh dear. You alright? Whoa, that was huge.
I couldn't talk to get you over there because it was so huge. I think I just heard the phone.
Did you? Guys, there was a huge frog living under this pool. Probably it was. Really?
The balloon would have been bigger had I not laughed because I laughed and it went.
The balloon?
The bubble.
Whoa, you got bubbles coming at you, girl.
Alright, that's heavy.
Is that right? Wah, wah, wah. love, cousin. Be careful, that's a big step right there.
Down.
Be big helps. Oh my gosh.
Wrong way. She's like, okay.
She's like, okay, now come right here and do this.
Okay.
Come on, Amelia. Come on. Oh,
You tried.
help. Olivia needs help. I mean, Amelia needs help. Hold her hands, both of them.
Come on down, Amelia.
Walk, walk, walk.
Wrong way.
Just gonna play chase around the car. Olivia, come on, help her down. She's like, come on, woman. Just go like this.
Did you hear it?
Okay, you do it.
Go help her. Go help cousin get down. She wants your help to get down. You stay down.
She's like, I've been up and down 16 times and this girl won't come. She's like gonna grab her shirt and pull her. Oh,
The second time.
oh, you alright? Oh, holding hands. And he's like, okay, let go. We're at a camera shot. Let go. Come on, girls. What do you have? That's grass. Yuck. Oh my gosh. Do you see them?
This is one of them.
Amelia.
Going over to the other side.
You having fun?
Mama.
What? Does Mom... What? Careful. What?
Oh, do you see stuff on the counter? She's like, yep, this is great. Good job! So guys, there's been a dog dish missing from our bathroom for like a couple days now, and we haven't been able to figure out where it was. So Jess is about to show me where it was hiding. But before we do that, Jess just showed me this interesting fun fact tip of the day. Call it what you will, if I can get this open. This is a bin of cookies that were hard as a rock the other day when we left them in this bin overnight. This is a piece of bread that they threw in. Assuming Jess's sister Erica told her about this. And this bread is now hard as a rock. But this cookie, totally edible. It's pretty amazing. I might have a second one. Just because. Why not? So, but now we're gonna go figure out where this hidden dog dish was. So, let's go check it out, guys.
Come on.
Got the light?
Come on. So, we have this one here.
Mm-hmm.
That was the one that we
Replaced.
replaced. Let me just bring your eyes this way.
I see it. It's in the bath.
There it is.
There you go, guys. Mystery solved. It's like, where could it be? See, when you're tall, I walk over there, I would never would have seen that.
Either the girls put it under there somehow, or Molly scratched it all the way under there.
Yeah. But,
Either way is possible.
but hey guys, now the battery's dying, so I'm gonna say goodnight. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Hey guys, sorry for this very late, probably very short one take. But this girl had a difficult time vlogging today. Would you like to explain why?
Well, it started off a really not too bad day. Amelia got up at 5, which is better than 4:30. And we had to leave pretty early to go to my car appointment.
Between 6 and 7 was getting kind of nice though.
Yeah. So went to the car appointment and she napped for like 10 minutes on the way out there, but got up and was very happy, which was perfect. Visited with my mom who works at the car dealership and had a good time there, and then we left and she fell asleep for half an hour, 45 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. It might have been closer to like 45 minutes or around that range, and then woke up bawling her eyes out, just upset. And so I was like, okay, well, let's go inside. She didn't want to get out of the car seat, for one. A kid doesn't want to get out of their car seat. So then she kept trying to get down, and then she'd get really mad when I tried to set her down, and the girl did not know what she wanted. So we came inside with her screaming, and I sat on the floor with her for quite a while, just trying to calm her down, because she was like, and then she'd, just a mess. And the rest of the day,
and then she gets like that, and like we're always like, okay, let's keep your breathing under control.
Right.
Have a history. You don't want to go down that path.
Exactly. And so then every single little thing had to go exactly the way Amelia wanted it to go.
But then she would put you in like no-win situations.
Yeah.
Like,
So
explain the TV.
Oh, so we're downstairs, and it was just about time for us to go upstairs anyway. And she walked over to the gate and was like, stairs, stairs, stairs. I was like, yeah, we can go upstairs. So I turned the movie off that she had asked for previously so that we could go upstairs, and she freaked out. I just couldn't win today.
But luckily, she at least ate a really good amount of her dinner. So
Yes, and she had avocado for lunch, so avocado and strawberries.
girl loves her avocado.
She's avocado.
But then after we put her to bed, we've been getting ready because we are headed down for a weekend in New Hampshire tomorrow with our friends. And we don't really have anything specific planned, but we're just kind of going to go down, and there's a pool in the area that we're staying, so we can do some swimming if we want to. There's some outlet stores. If we want to go do some shopping, we can. And if we just want to like hang out, we can hang out. We have like a condo that we're renting, so we'll be able to put the kids to bed and actually like stay up and play some board games with each other, which sometimes hard to do on a Friday night when it's like we get together, we eat.
Well, yeah, because when we get together, we're either at our house or at their house. So, yeah,
One of the
whoever's
kids-
house we're at can go to bed, but the other one can't.
Right.
So, in this situation, they'll each have a room that they can go down in, and we can remain awake.
Just need to start having sleepovers.
I guess so.
Okay, you're going to bed. Good night. We can leave, but Amelia will spend the night. Good luck, guys.
Actually, I think they would have the better end of that deal.
You're probably right. It's probably a fair guess.
Yeah.
And I'm going to apologize to my wife now because I've been packing up some of our board games to take down there, and one of them we want to bring is Bananagrams, which is a fun letter game that we like, that we've played, her parents have had for a while, but we just got recently, and I couldn't find it to put away. She knows it's here somewhere, and it's probably in a very stupid and obvious location that I'm just not noticing, but I've given up my search for the evening, so.
Okay. Should you bring that gate out?
I didn't bring it out, it's down by the door.
Oh.
Just figured I'd bring it. I thought you said I was bothering Sophie, so I was just like, I'll just leave this here and I can bring it out in the morning. So I've got a half day tomorrow, but then we'll be heading on our way, so should be good. I'm excited. If we do something, it'll be fun. If we do nothing, it'll also be fun.
Yeah, well, it'll be a good time.
So that's probably going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with another one, but until then, bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Guys, welcome to our new house. Also meet our new roommates. Oh, I'm so excited. It worked. Hooray! Step number 1 is complete.
Wow.
Ooh.
You got a Christmas ornament.
What?
It's a Christmas ornament.
Oh.
like this, can't you? I want this.
Oh my goodness.
Derek and family.
Hey, you're part of the family now. Oh,
Sparkling
should I turn on another light?
It's not even wine, it's sparkling cider.
Oh, I just did the opposite of you. They're smart. Did you tell them I was pregnant?
After the kids go to bed, we'll have
I told her it was a good
sparkling cider and biscotti.
What do you think? Wow, this is nice.
really nice.
I just left the door open. Look at this couch. My goodness. Wow. This is so cute.
Oh, and look, they have pamphlets.
We forgot our pamphlets. Derek was so sad. Oh my gosh.
Your chair.
Oh my gosh. Pool supplies. What?
I'm bringing this chair up for a minute. This was in one of the Look at this.
Oh my goodness. Amelia, look, it's a chair just for you.
Look. Oh, is it a chair? Because it folds all the way up. It's a cocoon.
Oh my goodness. What is it? Do you want to go sit?
Wow.
She's like, I gotta think about this.
There's also a huge stuffed dog in here.
Whoop. Did you make it? Do you like it? She's like, I don't know what to think. Grayson, look at all the stuff you can play with, bud. Yeah, what do you see? Oh, you see the pool supplies? Do you see Dory? Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Let's see, what do we got?
Wow.
Holy,
Oh, good.
this is nice.
We were wondering if there were 2 bathrooms. We couldn't remember.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. There's a bathroom there.
bathrooms.
Cool. Yeah.
I forgot.
That's- What do you have? Oh my goodness, you got a slingshot. Oh, don't say that word too loud. That's like a swear word. Bathroom, guys. Another bedroom, and then the bunk beds. My goodness, this is amazing.
Hey guys, after a very eventful evening, we just failed miserably to escape from an island. Well, we did technically eventually get away, but it was a rough process. We were doing really well for a while. We had a minor setback that caused us a little bit of time. We ended up getting 0 out of 5 stars, but I think it's kind of like golf. So, like, the fewer stars you get, the better.
Don't think that's true, but anyway.
So far for tomorrow, we have established that we are
Having pancakes
having
and bacon.
pancakes and bacon and donuts,
And possibly going to a children's museum.
and possibly going to a children's museum.
First thing.
And that's kind of as far as we've gone. And I think we're all kind of okay with that.
Yep.
So, but I have to finish sorting these cards because my compulsion won't let me put them back in the box until that happens. So we're gonna wrap up the vlog so we can do that and then go to bed. And we got 2 kids with us who we don't know when they're gonna be up tomorrow. So
That's
I'm not
so
referencing
scary.
their kid for the most part. I'm mostly talking about ours.
Yep.
But yeah, so we're gonna wrap things up. But thanks for watching today, guys. We'll be back with another one. But until then, bye guys.
Bye, guys.